So I made and poured these Christmas tree ornaments last night, and I thought I would demold a few of them for you and show you how they turned out. This is what the result is on the back side of them after you make them however you do. So let's just see how they turned out for the most part. So that's how they ended up turning out as I take them out of the molds. So as you can see, different things that you do in these molds will affect the final result. I'm pretty happy with all of these. Thanks for watching.